Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in this video we will design our chat activity. So we need new activity. First of all we will create new activity. So right click on the package new and select the empty activity, and here we will give the name chat activity. Okay, now go to chatactivity.xml. So first of all we need our app bar. So we need to create another app bar for this chat activity. So right click on layout, and here we need another layout resource file. So select layout resource file and give app bar chat activity. So here we need to select our toolbar. So I will select here toolbar. So make sure you have selected android widget.app compat.widget.toolbar. So click on ok. Okay, now go to text, and here we will design this app bar. So first we have to change the height. So here I will select attribute action bar size, and here we need to change over color. So I will select the color background color accent. Okay, now we need our user profile image, and also we need username and status. So here we will add one by one. So first of all we will add constraint layout inside this toolbar. So here I will select constraint layout, that will be match parent. So here I will select circle image view, that will be 45 dp width and 45 dp height. Okay, now select source, and here we will select any image. Let's say I select here user, not user, it's profile. Okay, give the id. Okay, close it. Now we need to add the constraint. So go to design, and here we will add the constraint from all sides. So first of all we will add the constraint from left, top, and bottom. Okay, now we need text view for username. So here I will drag the text view, zoom a little bit, and here we will add the constraint. And also we have to add the constraint from top, and margin from top 8 dp, that is enough, and margin from left 24 dp. Okay, now change the id into username, app bar, and text will be, let's say I type username, and text color. So here I will select text color white, and now we need status. So also we have to bold it. Let's say I select here bold, text style into bold. Okay, now it's looking good. Also you can change the text size. Let's say I select into 16 dp. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now we will add another text view, that is our status. So here I will drag the text view, and here we will add the constraint like this, and also from top. Okay, now we need to change the text color. So here I will change the text color into white. Also we need to change our text. So let's say I select here online or offline, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now our toolbar almost ready. So now go to our chat activity, and here we will add our first toolbar. So select this text, and here we will include and select layout, and select app bar. So here I will select app bar chat and give the id. So let's say I give app bar. Okay, now here we will add our constraint layout. So select here constraint layout, that will be match pattern. Height this time I will select, let's say 50 dp. Later we will change it. So just close it. Okay, now go to design and select this constraint layout and add the constraint at the bottom like this. Inside this constraint layout, we will add edit text. So here we will select first image view, that will be 40 dp. So here I will select 40 dp width and 40 dp height, and here I will select source, and here we have to give IC image, add post image. Here I will select this one, and also here we have to add our dp. Okay, now here I will select any ID. So let's say I give image view simply. Okay, now close it and go to design, and here we will add our constraints. So add the constraint from top, left and bottom. Also we have to remove this margin. Okay, now we need our edit text. So here we will add another edit text, not another, it's first edit text. Okay, here I will type edit text. So now it's match parent, wrap content and give the hint. So here I will type enter text and give the ID, input SMS. Okay, now close it. Now go to design again, and here we will add our constraint. So select this input field, and here we need to add the constraint from left to the right of the image view, and here we will refresh it into change it to match parent. Okay, now we will add our image view. So here I will select image view, that will be 40 dp and 40 dp height. Okay, now select source, and here I will select send and just close it. Now go to design, and here we will add our constraints. So I will simply add the constraint from right, from top and from bottom. Okay, now select this input SMS, and here also we need to add the constraint. So select it. Okay, I think we have to add the margin from right, ADP, and also we have to decrease the width. So let's say I change it into 30 dp. Okay, now we will add our recycler view. So here I will drag the recycler view. So select here recycler view and add the constraint. It's not here, it's here. Okay, so here we will add the constraint from top, from left, right, and also from bottom. So here we will add the bottom to the top of the constraint layout, and here we have to change it to match parent and again match parent. Okay, now here we need to select the background of this recycler view. So here we will select this recycler view and change the background. So select color gray. So here we have to select this color. Okay, okay, now it's good. And finally we have to remove this margin, select it into 0 dp. Okay, so our design is looking nice. So in the next video we will perform action on this activity. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.